Simple scones. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make the perfect little tea cake snack, simple scones. And we're starting right off by preheating our oven up to 200 degrees Celsius. Next up is the scones. Add flour, baking powder, sugar, butter, milk, heavy cream, and egg into a kitchen machine. This can also be done with a hand mix or by hands. And mix everything together until it's well combined. Just like that. When you get your dough together, sprinkle some flour on a flat surface, bring out your dough, dip it a little in the flour, and flatten it out until it's about 2 centimeters thick. When it's about 2 centimeters thick, bring out your circle form, or do it simple, just use a cup or a glass, and press circles out from the dough. Then place the scone circles on a baking tray with baking paper on, and bake the scones inside the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, they are ready to be enjoyed right away with some jam or cheese, while they're still hot. So if you like some tea cake, give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!